to the NCERT science class of 8th standard. Dear students, in the previous class we have completed the second topic, that is microorganisms. About the microorganisms we have studied, that is usefulness of microorganism and harmfulness of microorganism we have studied separately, isn't it? Or this is the microorganism that we have studied very detailed, and that is very important as point of examination B, and also as point of life also, isn't it? Today we are going to study, that is today we are going to discuss the exercise part of that, the second topic. Exercise part of the second topic, that is microorganisms are friends and food. Yes, and today we are going to study the NCERT textbook, exercise of NCERT textbooks. For that, all should have to see in your textbook. Then only you will come to understand the exercise part. The first question he has given the fill in the blanks. The first one, fill in the blanks. The first question, microorganisms can be seen with the help of a dash. Microorganisms can be seen with the help of a dash, that is with the help of microscope. The first answer is microscope. Microscope. Next question. The blue-green algae fix dash directly from the air and enhance the fertility of the soil. Second question, C. The blue-green algae fix the dash directly from the air and enhance the fertility of soil. That is nitrogen. Should be small. M should be small and N should be here small. Next, sequence. Alcohol is produced with the help of dash by a process called as the fermentation, or also here one more option is arising, that is with the help of yeast. That is with the help of yeast. Better to write yeast. With the help of yeast. Next, for D one. Cholera is caused by the bacteria. Cholera is caused by the dash. In page number, he has given page number, see, 24, he has given cholera. That is bacteria. Cholera is a bacterial disease. Yes. Next, dear students, the question number 2. The main question number 2. Come to the main question number 2. Tick the correct answer. That is multiple choice question here. The first one, 8th one. That is yeast is produced. Yeast is used in the production of. Yeast is used in the production of. Option A, sugar. Option second one, alcohol. Option C, hydrochloric acid. Option D, the oxygen. The correct answer, yeast is used in the production of alcohol. Alcohol. Option B, second one. The following is an antibiotic. See, 4 options he has given. The first one is sodium bicarbonate. It is not not an antibiotic. Streptomycin. Third one alcohol. Fourth one yeast. That is, out of these four, which one is a antibiotic? Antibiotic that you have studied, streptomycin, erythromycin. Isn't it? There, what happens? That option second one is correct. Option 2 is the correct. Here alcohol, that is 2. Here also 2. Second one. Streptomycin. Next, seat 1. Carrier of malaria causing protozoa is malaria caused by a protozoa. Malaria caused by a protozoa. That which protozoa? That option he has given: female Anopheles mosquito, cockroach, housefly, and butterfly. That is option first one is the correct one. That is female Anopheles mosquito. Female Anopheles mosquito. Next, deep one. Most common carrier of communicable disease is. Most common carrier of communicable disease is. The first one is. He has given the 4 options. Common carrier. See, carrier means which carries the microorganism. This is causing microorganism. The first one is ant. Second one housefly. Third one is dragonfly. The fourth one is spider. The correct answer is housefly. Housefly. Next, E. The bread or idli dough rises because when we add the yeast to the bread and bread dough or the wheat dough, its level will be risen. Why? See, option A: heat, grinding, growth of yeast cell, and kneading. That is, the option third one is growth of yeast cell. Growth of yeast cell. Yes. Next, last one, F1, that is the process of conversion of sugar. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is called as, the first one, nitrogen fixation, of second one, malting, third one, fermentation, then fourth one, infection. Yes. That is, F1 is, third option is correct. That is fermentation. Fermentation. Yes. Next, come to the third main question. Match the following. Match the following A and B here. The first one, bacteria. The second one is rhizobium. Third one, lactobacillus. Fourth one, yeast. Fifth one, a protozoa. Sixth one, a virus. Bacteria. The the suitable word. That is bacteria. The suitable word is setting curd, making bread, causing malaria, cholera, causing cholera, cholera. Causing cholera. Again, one more function you will see again. Producing antibodies. Antibodies not so. See what happens? Causing cholera. The correct second one, rhizobium. The match word is nitrogen fixation. Fixing nitrogen. Fixing nitrogen. Next one, lactobacillus setting curd. Lactobacillus setting to convert the milk into the sugar, milk into the curd. The lactobacillus bacteria is the yeast. Baking of bread. Baking of bread. Baking of bread. The next, protozoa. Protozoa causing malaria. Causing malaria. Next, virus causing AIDS. Causing AIDS. Isn't it? These are the matching words. Yes? Next, dear students. Next question, fourth one. See, fourth one, main question. See that. Can microorganisms be seen with the naked eyes? If not, how can they be seen? Very easy question. Is it possible to see microorganisms through the naked eyes? The correct answer is no. Then how it is possible to see? The answer is fourth one, no. Comma. How we will see the microorganisms? With the help of microscope. With the help of microscope. The next question, fifth one. See on page number 30. What are the major group of microorganisms? The major group of microorganisms. The first one, bacteria, protozoans, fungi. Isn't it? These are the main group of microorganisms that we have classified. Yes, bacteria, fungi, protozoans and algae. Bacteria, fungi, algae and protozoans. These are the four major groups of microorganisms. Yes. Next, dear students, name the microorganisms which can fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. Name the microorganism which fixes the atmospheric nitrogen. See here he has given rhizobium bacteria. What happens? Yesterday I told in the atmosphere nitrogen is present in 78%, that it is totally unable to take the plants and animals directly from the atmosphere. That has to depend on the microorganisms. The microorganisms which are present in the soil, they absorb the atmospheric nitrogen and gives to the plants through the roots. The plant absorbs this nitrogen or they will convert into the nitrogen compounds. Yes, it means when these plant takes the nitrogen and it supplies to the each and every part of the plant body, even in the fruits and leaves and vegetables and all. By feeding on these vegetables, roots and fruits and all, we will get the nitrogen. Yes, the correct answer is rhizobium. Rhizobium. Yes. Next come to the seventh one. Write 10 lines on the usefulness of microorganisms in our lives. Write the 10 lines of usefulness of microorganisms. See, I will tell you, we have studied the applications of or uses of microorganisms. The very first one is the applications of microorganisms in the food industry, that we are using in the bakery, that is in the production of bread, cake and bun, and next in the conversion of curd to the milk, isn't it? That is the applications. Next come to the commercial use in the production of alcohol, even in the production of pickles also. Yes, in the production of alcohol by a process of fermentation we are using the yeast powder. Yes. Next, dear students, after this one, the third one, that the first one is food industry, commercial use. Next, medicinal use in the production of antibiotics. In the production of antibiotics. And next, what happens? The antibiotics and also the vaccines. The number of antibiotics like streptomycin, erythromycin, and all. Next, after this one, vaccines. These are the doses which are given in the prior of the diseases in the childhood. Yes. Next, after this one, the agricultural use to increase the fertility of the soil. What happens? The nitrogen fixing bacteria is added into the soil, which increases the nitrogen content in the soil, by which plants will grow efficiently. Next, to clean the environment, the nitrogen, the microorganisms are applicable. It means they feeds on the dead and decaying organic matter and cleans the environment. Yes, these are the applications of microorganisms. Sixth, seventh one now. Seventh one. Write a short paragraph on the harmfulness of the microorganisms. See, we have studied the page number. See, on the page number you will see you have write the disease causing microorganisms. The microorganisms which causes the diseases, that is the different diseases like tuberculosis, cholera, malaria, measles, and next polio, chickenpox, hepatitis, and all the different diseases that is spread by the microorganisms by the different ways, by air, water, and food, and physical contact. That you have to write. And next, the disease which causes the microorganism which causes the disease in the plants. That also you have to write. Yes. Next, in the paragraph we have to write. Next, dear students, the ninth question. 8 is also over. Sorry. Eighth question. Write a short paragraph on the harmfulness of microorganisms. Usefulness and harmfulness of the microorganisms. You have to write. Next, come to the ninth question. What are the antibiotics? Antibiotics. These are the medicines or the doses which are prepared with the help of microorganisms, and these medicines gives the stimulate or gives the resistance power to our body or to our antibodies. In our body, antibodies are there. They are continuous in fighting with the foreign bodies which are entering in our body continuously with the help of air, water, and food. That is going on killing by the antibodies already which are present in our body. If the antibody is getting weak or if they are getting miskilled by the foreign microorganisms, at that time we will take the doses in the form of injections and tablets that is called as the antibiotics. These antibiotics stimulates or gives the power to the antibodies to fight against the disease causing microorganisms. Yes, that is antibiotics. And what precautions must be taken while taking the antibiotics? They see here what happens. Most of the antibiotics are there. That is we don't have to take through the orally and all. And without the prescription of the doctors or the physician, we don't have to take the antibiotics. Then next what happens? If we take the antibiotics continuously, what happens? Our immunity power is going on decreasing. What happens? We will become addict to that antibiotics and we will lose our the immunity power and all. That's all about the exercise part of the second topic of 8th standard. Yes, that's all you have to write in your textbook, notebook, that is Facebook, along with the notes. You have to copy all these exercise parts. The first one, fill in the blank. Second, that is match the following. Multiple choice questions. The third one is here the match the following. Next, some questions he has given. All these questions and answers you have to write in your text, in your notebook without fail. And these are the most important questions as point of examination B. And these are the very important questions for your future life also. Yes.